Experiencing issues with Live Translate on your iPhone 16 running iOS 18 when using AirPods 3? The most common problems stem from setup or permissions. First, ensure you're on iOS 18.1 or later by checking Settings, General, Software Update. Next, verify Bluetooth is stable. Forget and repair your AirPods 3 via Settings, Bluetooth. Critically, check microphone permissions for the Translate app in Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone Translate. Ensure Allow is selected. Outdated AirPods firmware can also cause problems. Firmware updates are automatic when paired with your iPhone, but check in Settings, General, About, AirPods. If problems persist, try restarting your iPhone. These steps resolve most translation not starting or audio glitch issues. Open the Translate app, select your desired languages, and tap the microphone icon to initiate live translate mode. Granting microphone access is crucial. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, Microphone, find Translate, and ensure it's enabled. Enable Siri and dictation permissions for better language detection and overall performance. Ensure AirPods 3 are properly paired in Settings under Bluetooth. Remember, Live Translate processes everything on device for privacy.